Hello YouTubers, got to get a saw one out for you tonight, so I'm going to put something on. The sun's halfway on the blade. I don't know if you can see it from here, which it makes it, that little bit of heat makes it go goofy. The yeah, it's difference in temperature, and that'll make it go goofy because it'll expand a little bit. I'm hoping that it'll settle down as it spins a little bit. Now what I'm trying to get out of this, got no idea. I'm going to be flip-flopping this more than a fish out of the water, because I screwed up another cut, and I got the sapwood, I got the heartwood on the inside, so I'm trying to get rid of the heartwood on that, and I'm going to try to get rid of the heartwood on this. I use this 2-inch stuff on the #1 sawmill. And so if I put this in there and cut it at 1 1/2, I might get rid of that, and I got another area that I want to use this, and hopefully it'll be cleaner than this. And then I should be able to get 2 more out of this here. But to get it the way I want it, I got to flip-flop it. And I see I got screw bolt holes in here, so that's gonna, well, I don't need boards. No, because I'm gonna face it on this side and go in two times this way. I don't know what I'm doing. The brain is just all defumbled. I probably shouldn't be back here on the mill. Now, another thing, these things, I had to make some more of these. Now, if you remember in tomorrow night's video, you'll see that I cut these. That's if you remember, and you'll see what I cut them for, and you'll kind of know what I'm cutting. I ran out of angles here, so I just cut a few more. I'm using turtles in there. So, oh, there's another one there. I could have, no, that's a 4x4. Anyhow, the sun's going down. I'm going to fire this thing up and see if I can't at least make sawdust or run it through the blade, or I don't know what I can do wrong today. But I did leaves again today, but I did leaves with, I had to use a foul 4-letter word while doing leaves today. Yeah, rake. I think that's 4 letters. I'm not a very good speller. I had to sticker this wood because it was just getting too crazy. That's going to Mac. He's going to make. I might keep one. I'm not sure. That's kind of really interesting. But you can see where it started to mold up already. It just doesn't take long. Can you see the white on there? I don't know if it's showing up in the camera. Anyhow, we'll go back and start this beast up. Oh, might have dead battery. When I leave that on there to activate the charger, I hope that's going to screw up my video. I guess it's not activating it. Didn't activate it. The alternator's gone bad. This thing's kind of cattywampus, so we'll cattywampus it that way. We'll put it there. Try to bring this over here a little bit more so you see what's going on without the sun getting you. didn't quite get out of the heart of that as much as I wanted to. It's I might have cut it on the wrong side, I'm not sure. Nah, if you see this one, it's all hard. That blade doesn't like you 670 RPM. Look what shut up over there. He must have run away from home.
Hello, man.
What's up? Older man. Shooting a video.
Oh, all right.
Now I'm going to try to, because we only got 11 minutes in it, I'm going to try to roll one of those other logs down. I'm going to leave it right about here so you can see the crash. What are you up to?
Oh, I heard you back here.
So you come back snooping?
Come back snooping, see what you were about to tear up.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, I know that.
I should have moved this back, but I wasn't that smart. Nice little light mill you're doing, though.
You called me the other night to tell me your bonfire is bigger than mine.
It was! We saw your little fiddly ass bonfire, and we laughed. Oh, let's see how long this log is. It is 7 foot 4 inches. So I need 7 foot 4 inches. I might not get that. I don't feel like pulling that. Yeah, I can pull that in. Here's what you guys do when you got one like that that's kind of short. These were made to slide. I should have you videoing this.
Well, I thought that's what you were doing.
I am doing it, but somebody can keep me in the camera here. I'm gonna put you to do work.
Oh, my
You
God.
come over here, you get put to work. You didn't see me there. I'll take you over here. Penny's gonna be the operator today.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, well, all I gotta do is kind of.
I ain't much of an operator. Just keep you in the... Well, nobody wants to look at you.
Well, you're probably right, especially with these goofy glasses on. Anyhow, I showed you how to move the one. Now I got to move the other one to get down to. I'll see what my smallest log is, so I don't have to move them again. That was 7 foot 4 inches. That one's 7.5. Hey, that's a long one there. That's 8. So we'll go to handle a 7.4, and then we'll roll it on. You got to have. That was one thing. These old mills were made to move these L's and heads around a little bit. Easier than I can move around, I can tell you that. Oh, I haven't put oil on them in a while. And they just slide right up. Now if I got 7.4, I could move that middle one down, but I don't really feel like it. We're still not there. I gotta go in another few inches. That's got it. I should move the middle one down, but I just don't feel like moving out of the middle. That keeps, you want the end of the log as close to the bed so it doesn't flop around and so it's got support. That's what you're shooting for. Now if I can hit this log on here, it'll be a miracle. Oh, push the cage back. I think the rest of the logs these guys are bringing me are going to be a little bit longer. Now you can zoom around and watch me roll this beast into place. Got to move the turtle. These are nice round logs. Of course the other one wants to come along, doesn't want to leave his buddy, does it?
Are they telephone poles?
Yeah. There you go, guys. Right on there. And it looks fairly happy. It does have a bit of a flat right there. Gotta have a happy dog. Yeah, these are nice. I can kind of move them around.
Yeah, they're all round and pretty. And
They're gonna be boards in a little bit.
what are you cutting the boards for?
Just some guy wants some boards.
But what? Telephone pole boards?
Yeah. He uses them for fence boards. I said, these aren't long enough. You need eight 8.6 for fence boards. It's just I'll move the poles closer together. That sounds like something we'd do, doesn't it?
Yeah, sounds like something we'd do.
Now he needs at least a 6-inch board. So I got to come into right about there as my first cut. I don't have a, got to get a crayon. I guess I need a marker. Can't do it with a tape here. So if he needs a 6-inch face, that's about where, of course, crayon and marking.
That's normal procedure.
I know it. I know. 6-inch, yeah, that's about where it wants to be. Well, we're gonna start up and whack attack this one. I don't know what I'm set on width. I don't know what I've set it. I think I'm gonna be right. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take the slab off in one board, flip it, take a slab off in one board, or go to 6. And that's where we're going at. Now I gotta go over and start this beast up. And I'm gonna put my respirator on. I'm not sure about what kind of treatment's on this wood here. See how stinky it is.
The stinkier, the better.
Well, I know it. Boone been up hunting again?
No, he's in Virginia.
Well, he's got that 10-point up here.
Yeah, but he's got 1,000 acres to hunt down there.
Oh. Doesn't matter if you don't shoot him.
Yeah, well, all he's hunting for is a big buck.
Well, I guess he's earned it. He's been hunting for 86 years.
Something about like that.
What the hell's that going?
Somebody.
30 minutes.
About 1 minute.
Turn the noise off. We did all right on that. Let's see how many boards we got. Hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll see the saw on the other two. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 1x6s out of that. So thank you for Penny for helping me do the camera. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the little bell icon if you want to see sawing up the other two that are over there. I'm gonna probably do that right after I play with Penny for a while. I think we got a BS. So thanks for stopping by. Look at this ugly old coot. We'll see you. Bye bye.